RBS's chief Japan economist Junko Nishioka is in Tokyo this morning. And Junko, I guess the question has to be for a lot of investors and economists out there is how long will deflation persist?
I think that as long as the Japanese economy see a negative GDP gap, negative output gap, I think that we would see core CPI number to remain at the negative territory at least this year. And also, it is getting more likely that core CPI number is to remain at the negative territory for the next year. So just comparing the yes.
Junko, talk to me about the strength and the health of the Japanese economy right now, because you have deflation persisting for a third straight month, right? Then you have exports falling, and people are thinking that this recovery post-earthquake is petering out right now.
I think that, of course, as you said, the strong Japanese yen is one of the negative factors to push down the export activity. And also there is another structure changes in Japanese economy. Especially after the earthquake last year, most of the Japanese maker has already shifted their production line to overseas. So I think that there are two negative factors for the export activity.
Okay, so what is this year like going to be in Japan then? What are you closely watching out for?
It's hard to say, but as you said, I think the currency tendency is a very big factor to see the overall trend of the CPI number and also the overall business activity. So I think that one of the measures that the Japanese authority has to consider seriously is that how to boost the dollar-yen level, for example, from the current 76 or 77 to over 80. So I think that if that happens, I think that the overall business activity and also the inflation number is likely to improve in the near term.
Okay, sounds like dollar-yen is the key for Japan right now. Do you expect more intervention then from the Bank of Japan?
Yes, if the Japanese authority has willingness to fight against the currency market, I think that the Japanese Ministry of Finance and the BOJ will take action to fight against the strong Japanese yen. But unfortunately, at this moment, there is no such a mood for the Japanese authorities to fight against dollar-yen markets.
Okay, Junko, thanks again. Junko Nishioka, RBS's chief Japan economist.